Oh, that's easy.
Wait, do I
Right.
take the whole thing?
No, 2 bites.
Hey, get in there, man.
1, 2.
Wait, you have to swallow that? Wait, but like, I want to
It's just salmon.
No. You get it in there. There you go, man.
When you're done,
Watch your hat.
You're filling that water anymore.
Go Tigers. Everybody, I gotta get him a shot of everybody leaning down. Get in there. Are you bobbing? What are you doing? Don't just lick it.
Wait, what do I have to... How
You
do
have
I
to bob it.
Get some
Have you ever?
mouth?
Oh my gosh, it's smelling more as it touches the water.
Shut up, Tom. Wait, where's Andrew? He didn't do it.
You're gonna have to push down on the bucket, like you're gonna have to push it up against the side, type of thing. Flooded.
Can I use my hand to stabilize this?
No.
It's impossible.
Just shove it up against the side of the bucket.
What is that?